Good morning, friends. Miss Doris here. I thought for cooking today we could make some earth ball treats. Okay, the things that you need today is a bowl and measuring cup, a knife, Rice Krispies, marshmallows, butter, and food coloring, blue and green. Our first ingredient is we're putting butter in a bowl, and then we're going to melt it in a microwave. Now we're going to add the marshmallows to the butter and put that in the microwave to melt it. Now we're going to stir the marshmallows, and we're going to add our Rice Krispies. And then we're going to mix all that together. Now we're going to divide the mixture into two bowls. And we're going to put some blue in one bowl and green in the other bowl. And then we're going to roll them together. I decided to use a spoon because it's going to be so sticky. I'm taking the green, and I'm taking the blue, and I'm going to roll it into a ball. I'm making one big earth ball. You can follow the recipe on the Rice Krispies box. Enjoy!